Good morning, students. Listen, today we are going to see same chapter, chapter 11, exercise 11.1. Okay, second sum. Construct an angle of 45 degree. Construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of given ray and justify the construction. Students, listen here. You have to construct an angle 45 degree and at last you have to justify that. Is it clear? So let's start. How do we construct on angle 45 degree? Okay, students, listen. First, draw a ray. This point, this is O, A. Okay, then take any radius, taking O as center and any radius. Okay, draw an arc which is intersecting OA ray at B. Okay, same radius. Taking B as center and draw an arc which is intersecting previously drawn arc. Is it clear? So this point is C. Okay, now join OC. This is OE. So OE ray, the ray OE which is passing through C, Okay, students, listen. Before seeing this, listen, we have to construct an angle 45 degree. Okay, so for that, first we have to construct 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, and then bisector of an angle 90 degrees. If we construct bisector of an angle 90 degree, then we will have 45 degree. Is it clear? So this is only one way we have to construct it. That's way only we have to construct. Okay, so first here I have drawn an angle 60 degree. So this is 60 degree already, you know that. Okay, so now I have to construct 90 degree. So already you have learned that same radius, here same radius. So taking C as center, draw an arc which is intersecting the previously drawn arc. Okay, so this point D, this is C, this is D. Okay, join DO. This is F. So the ray OF which is passing through D. Okay, students, is it clear? So now, students, listen, you have to construct 90 degree. So you have to construct bisector of an angle FOE. How do we construct bisector? Listen, already we have learned. You just consider DC is a line. Okay, there is a line, just consider that, and take more than half. Taking C as center, draw an arc. Now taking D as center, draw an arc which is intersecting the previously drawn arc. So this point G. Is it clear? So G. Now you should join OG. So this is 90 degree. This is 30. This will be 30 degree. So this is 90 degree. Is it clear? Already we have learned. Okay, students, now we have to construct 45 degree. So 45 degrees, students, listen, if we construct bisector of an angle GOA, then we will get 45 degree. Okay, so we have to construct bisector of an angle GOA. How do we construct? Students, listen, already already we have drawn a circle, an arc. Okay, you just take the same arc. Okay, and then consider here this is H. Okay, so here you just consider BH, there is a line BH, take more than half, and taking B as center and draw an arc. Okay, now taking H as center and draw an arc which is intersecting previously drawn arc. Okay, so this point I. Okay, now you should join OI OI. Okay, students, listen, take protractor, you should keep like this. Okay, and now you can check, is that 45 degree? Okay students, so that is 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree, it shows 45 degree. Is it clear students? So this is 45 degree, but we have to prove it, we have to justify it. Okay, we have to justify it. This is 45 degree. Now we have to justify it. Students, listen, already you have learned the step. Angle GOA, that is equal to angle GOE plus angle EOA. Angle GOE plus angle EOA. So that is equal to GOE, that is 30 degree. So 30 degree plus, because OG is bisector of an angle FOE. Okay, so this is 60 degree. So this will be 30 degree. Is it clear? Already we have proved in first sum. Okay, so this is 30 degree. Angle EOA. So this is 60 degree. Okay, at last 30 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Angle GOA, that is equal to 90 degree. Is it clear? Okay, now we have to prove angle GOI is equal to angle IOA or AOA, that is equal to, both are equal, and GOI is equal to IOA, that is equal to 45 degree. We have to prove. Okay, so for the students, listen, take angle GOA, that is equal to GOI plus IOA. Angle GOI plus angle IOA. Okay, here students, I have said that angle GOI equal to angle IOA because OI, the ray OI is the required bisector of an angle GOA. Is it clear? The ray OI is a required bisector of an angle GOA. So we can say angle GOI, that is equal to angle IOA. Okay, so if I take that as x, then both are x. Okay, so this is x, this is also x, so 2x. Okay, so angle GOA, that is equal to 2x. Already you know that angle GOA equal to 90 degree. This by 2, this will become by 2, that is equal to x. At last x is equal to 45 degree. X is equal to 45 degree, that is equal to angle GOI, that is equal to angle IOA. Is it clear, students? Good, thank you. Students, listen, for every construction you have to write steps also. This is justification steps, picture and justification steps, and written steps. You have to write the construction steps in a 5 or 6 pointers enough. Okay, you should write at least 5 5 point or 6 point is enough. Okay, thank you students. You should write for all questions, you should write the steps also, steps and justification figure. Is it clear? Thank you students.